Hi everyone, my name is Lotta and I'm a research assistant in the Early Childhood Cognition Lab. I'm really interested in learning about how kids think about food, so today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy, yummy, and healthy snack that looks like a turkey. Before we get started, I'm going to wash my hands. First, I'm going to tell you what we need to make this snack. Please remember to always have a parent with you to help and never use new things or foods in the kitchen by yourself. First, you will need something to make the body of the turkey. I'm using peanut butter, but you could also use any other nut butter or some nut butter or hummus or any other thick dip. Next, you will need some things to make the turkey feathers. You can use some cut up vegetables, as well as some pretzels or Chex Mix. And last, you will need something to make the eyes of the turkey. So you can use M&Ms or raisins, or if you want to get fancy, I'm going to show you how to make M&M eyes. If you want to make M&M eyes like this for your turkey, you will need M&Ms and some melted chocolate. You can ask an adult to melt the chocolate for you. If you have an M&M and some melted chocolate, you can make a little googly eye by putting the melted chocolate on a chopstick or a fork like this. Then you can very carefully put a little dot on your M&M. And then you have googly eyes. Once you have a peanut butter or nut butter or thick dip for your body, and you have some veggies or some pretzels and Chex Mix for your feathers, and something like M&Ms or raisins, or if you wanted to get fancy, you have your little googly eyes, then we'll be ready to get started. Or if you have something that's a little different than what we're using today, that's okay, because all of our turkeys will just look a little different. So we can get started on making the body of the turkey. So I'm going to take a big scoop of whatever I'm using to make the body of the turkey, like this. And with my clean hands, they might get sticky, so don't worry. I'm going to scoop it out onto a plate down here. And I'm going to use the spoon to get it into a little circle like this. So this is the thick body of the turkey. I'm going to start putting the feathers on my turkey. And then if you want, you can use other things. Like I'm going to add some pretzels so that my turkey has really fancy feathers because he has carrots and pretzels. Once your little turkey has their body and their feathers like this, you can add the eyes. And then you have a healthy snack that looks like a turkey. You can make lots of different types of turkeys. You can use different things for feathers, you can use lots of different objects, and you can even give them fun little noses or any other body part you want. I bet it'd be really fun to give them little feet. And then once you're done looking at your turkeys, you can get ready to eat them. And whenever you're ready, you can just take their feathers and put them in the dip and scoop it up, and then you have your yummy snack. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to learn more about some of the research our lab does, or if you want to learn about any fun games that we're doing that you could play right now, you can go to ecclabcornell.com or you can email us at ecclab@cornell.edu. Thank you guys so much and happy holidays. Bye!